Hey guys, today I will show you how to install the M shifter knob into your Pre LCI car. My car is E60 and now I'm installing this one. So first thing is this: you need to take out your original one. I will show you how to take it out. I will take this one out like this. Okay, you need to go to neutral N, okay, and you need to press this button and firmly push out. It will come out, and then you will take your this leather cowl or something. So you need to take it out, okay, and when you will take the plastic piece. See, this is the original OEM one from the car I took. You need to peel it off, your original leather cowl, and this Alcantara one. Then you need to use some kind of glue or something like wooden glue, or you can go to some electrical store and some wooden store maybe, yeah. So you can buy some glue, maybe 5 cents or something. So you can put some glue there and then you can cover it like this. See, you will put this plastic cowl inside the Alcantara, and then you can add how much you like, because this Alcantara will be long like this, because every car has different style or different kind of the size. So you can I cut it from here and make all the way here. See, so I made it perfect according to my car size. So the other thing, you no need to concern about this thing, this button, okay, because when you will start your car, you have the brake solenoid. I will show you. See, I took this out. This is the parking, right? So I will start the car. Okay, so it will not go to the reverse unless I hit the brake. See, I put the brake, right? Okay, now I will release the brake. Okay, see, you hear some kind of the solenoid noise, so you can't go to R. See, unless you hit the brake. Hit the brake, goes to R, goes to P. Understand? So now if I don't use the brake, see, now wait, I will turn on the light. I lift off the brake now, okay, so now it will not move, it will not goes to R. So now I will, from here I can show you, push the brake, push, goes to R or N. See, D, N, D, N, no problem, because even all the same, like if you have the OEM one, this one also goes to N without pushing this button. So now I push the brake, goes to R, goes to P, release the brake. You can listen the sound. You can maybe you can listen, you can try to listen. See, there's a solenoid sound. This solenoid will lock this thing. You can't move to R like this. So now I will turn off the car. I will show you now okay. After you will make this cowl and everything, you need to do the harness. For harness, what you need, because I have sport mode here, so don't care about this thing, I already modified this one. You need to find your this wire. See the white one, this is the E60, but I think E46 also same. You find this sensor P, R, and D, this sensor wire you need to find here, this line. this wire is going down, you need to disconnect this wire from here. The space is very tight because I don't want to remove this whole casing, because can do like this because it's easy. This wire you need to disconnect. Okay, after disconnecting this wire, you have this your M shifter wire harness already have, so you need to one plug you need to connect here, and other plug you need to connect here, so it will make the signal like this. Okay, now the signal will goes to your M shifter, see, and your original, the OEM one, so both will work together like this. And other, you need power source. For power source you need this first one, the red one. You can see you need to disconnect this red one. Okay, after disconnecting you need to connect your M shifter cable, same as like this, like connect here, it will goes to here and goes to your that M shifter. Okay, so no other thing, only this. And now we need to install it. Now you need to find how to make this wire okay, it looks good. So I will put this wire here, hide it here. Okay, and this wire I will hide it here. From one hand I can't do, but I will show you. Wait a minute, I can put my phone someplace. I don't know where I can put my phone. Maybe you can how to put, my god, I will try here like this. Maybe you guys can see. Can't use, my god. Maybe. Okay, you need to put these wires, hide it, and you can try your best, not on this place, the wires. Okay, not on this place. So you need to hide these wires. I will hide it. I can't hold my phone and work like this, but I will show you guys. Wait. Oh. See, the phone dropped nearly. Okay, I will try my best with one hand. Okay, so now you can see we need to see where we can hide the wire clearly. Okay, yeah, this place is looking okay. I need to close this. Okay, here. Okay, now you need your M shifter. This wire you can route here. Okay, I can't use my one hand, too trouble for me, but I need to do with one hand now. Come on, man. Okay. Oh. We need to find the right place. because I'm using my one hand, so can't make it better. Yeah, okay, found this place. Okay, now you need to cover this. Okay, here like this. Okay, this is now covered, this is now covered. So okay, yeah, like this. Okay. So now you need to push it. Okay, push, like if you can, maybe you can tap a little bit like this, so it will be holded. So now you can see it's working. Push the brake, goes to R. See the R. I will turn off the light, you can see clearly then. Okay, now you can see R, R, N, and neutral, D, D, DS, your M mode. Okay, okay guys, so I hope that you like this video, because I tried my best to explain you as much as I can. So but if you need any help or something, I will drop the description down below in the video, and then you can see this M shifter knob for Pre LCI. And if you have any questions, you can ask me, no any problem, I will reply you one by one. So thank you, thanks for your time, and we will see you in next video. I hope I will do other modifications like paddle shifters and Alcantara airbag. So these kind of small modifications I will do, then I will show you guys how to do. Okay, bye bye.